Okay, so before we start this video, this is me. I had just toned the hair. This is kind of the color I was going for. I really like the outcome. I washed it and it came out really good. It took color really well as well, so I was happy about that. And as you can see, the curls did return. Okay, y'all, so this is, I installed the U-part wig that I made. This is the Indian hair that I showed you guys in the previous video. If you have not seen that, please go back, because girl, you need to catch up, okay? So I added some curls and I installed it, but now I need to kind of like flatten out my hair. If you see me looking this way, which I will, because I have my mirror here, so I need to like kind of look, but you'll still see me in your view, okay? Okay, so a few things, and I'm gonna sew this down, but I just don't have time, y'all. I have to hurry up because I have to go to work. Yeah, you know, I'm a hairstylist girl, so your girl gotta go to work. So I just need to kind of adjust this for the time being, but I'm going to definitely, you know, I'm sorry, y'all. That noise in the background is my fridge running like when it makes ice, and it's so annoying, but resume to the video. I'm going to sew this down. I'm sorry, I'm just getting my words up mixed up. So I just added some curls, you guys. I added some curls so you can kind of see. Hold on, let me turn around to the back. I hope you can see. It's giving. I hope it's giving everything that it's supposed to give. Okay, now let's hurry up because your girl gotta go to work. All right, so I'm going to use Paul Mitchell Hot Off the Press. This is not my absolute fave heat protectant, but the one I want, I need to go get it. So yeah. I haven't been to Armstrong or RDA in a minute, so you know. So yeah, I'm just going to take my hot comb. I actually got this off of Amazon, so we're gonna see, you know, how well this flattens me out. I really want to sew this down. I really wish I had time, but I'm just gonna kind of press this out a little bit. And I'm probably gonna take this guard off because I'm old school. Like I don't know. Like I get the guard, but child, I've been burnt before. It's okay. I don't have time for that. All right. So now I'm gonna do this side and just again press it out, because I'm not trying to do this every day, y'all. Your girl is not. And that's just fine with me. I do want to fix this so you guys will see how I was able to get these curls, because I have to fix this part. So this is my hot tools. I forgot like what inch. I guess this is 1 inch or something. I don't know. If you really want to know, I'll link it down below. Okay, and I just wrap it around. Wrap, boom, 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 because it's almost your girl's birthday. That did not go together, but it's okay. It's almost my birthday in like 2 days or so. You guys will get this video before my birthday. But anyway, see how that's that? And I just kind of juice it off. Now it's a little different from here, so I'm just gonna do this side just so we can make everything kind of look the same. But I love these curls, y'all. I'll let y'all know how long these curls hold up, because like I said, we're not just gonna do a initial video and then, oh, I installed it, and then you won't hear anything else. I'm going to give you guys another review on this hair. As you can see, it colors really well. Honestly, it colored really well, so I'm happy with that. Okay, y'all like, look, do y'all like the little wavy video that people be doing? Okay, I feel like I have this one little piece of curl. Girl, let's just curl you. Blend in, please. All right. This is how we're going to work, honey. Okay, what y'all think? This is how we're going to work, okay? This is how we're going to work. It's the Olive Oil Firm Hold Spray. It's this one, okay? I used it on my curls. Again, I would say this is like my top 3 products for like a lightweight holding spray. Oh my God. Y'all see that one little piece in the front that won't act right? Closure me, please. Guys, that I like the Invisible Wear by Paul Mitchell. But my #1 favorite is the Sebastian. But I still need to go get that. Like, I really need to stop playing and go get it. I have it at work, but why I don't have it at home, I don't know. And I also love this as a finishing spray. It's the Raw Treatment. I think it's by yes, it is. And it's a shine spray for all day gloss. I really like this one. But I kind of added, I added this, you guys. This Frizz Buster. I added this while it was wet. So we'll play around with that, see what it's giving. But yeah, okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I inserted some clips, so I hope you've seen that. And if you need like an initial review on this hair, please go look on the last video because you're missing out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because I'll be back with more videos. And I'll see you soon. Bye, girl. Did I forget to mention that I am the CEO of Blissfully Bree Hair? Girl, if you need some hair, if you need a wig on the sewing machine, girl, if you have old bundles, please, 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 please book me, your favorite stylist, okay? And I'm not just a YouTube stylist, I am licensed, girl, but no shade to the YouTube stylist. But if you need, appointments, if you're in Houston area, if you want to send me your bundle so I can make you a little wig, please, please, please book on my website. It's blissfullybreehair.com. I'll link all that in below. And yeah, girl, get you some hair while you're there because I'm going to have a birthday sale. Okay? Toodles.